Hi friends, it's Miss Aisha. Today we're going to be doing an activity for when it gets nicer outside. So we're going to be doing a bird feeder, and we're going to use an empty paper toilet roll. We're going to use some peanut butter and some bird seed. So what you want to do is you're going to want to spread the peanut butter all over your tube. You want to do a thin layer. Parents can actually do this part. And just like this, just all over the tube. And our friends can help with this part. You want to pour some bird seed on there. We can either use our fingers to put it on there. Just pour it all over. And this is how it's gonna look. So what you're gonna wanna do once it's all dried up on there is you're gonna wanna hole punch 2 little holes on both sides, add a string, and then you can go ahead and hang it up wherever you want so that the birds can come and eat the little bird seed off of it. And that's the activity. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day. Bye, friends.